An unusual request from a service organization this evening for persons in urgent need of help with Melissa Recovery to send in requests. The Rotary Club says while it is currently focusing on donating Starlinks to improve internet connectivity at high schools in hardest hit parishes, it has millions of dollars in funding for other critical recovery efforts. Krista Campbell has that story.
From Glenmuir High in Clarendon to Winston Jones High in Manchester and B.B. Coke High School in St. Elizabeth, several secondary institutions in hard-hit southern parishes were targeted as part of the Rotary Club's Hurricane Melissa recovery efforts.
We're going to hand out 17 devices to 17 schools. Just to let you know that we've already handed out more than 17 schools to Western Jamaica. But it's not that we're covering the entire island. We're trying to cover those schools that have been impacted by the hurricane.
Well, currently, as the situation stands, we are not able to accommodate all students at any given time. So we run an rotational school. So on any given day, you might find 4 or 3 grades at a time. We are putting plans in place to improve this as we go on.
Flora Greaves-Smith is Assistant Governor for the Jamaica Southwest Rotary District, which includes Jamaica. She says the items are from a $600,000 grant from Rotary International aimed at strengthening internet connectivity, especially in Jamaican high schools, to limit learning disruptions in the future. The past district governor says the Rotary Club is providing a technician to install the devices, which also includes a free 1-year internet subscription. However, he explains the schools may have to invest in additional routers to extend the internet coverage.
So you put an outdoor router in your school for $100 of Amazon, and the entire school is blanketed. And you have uninterrupted internet service, not even Hurricane. Not even Melissa, not even Berry. I had them running non-stop.
But while the service club targets internet connectivity in hurricane-battered high schools in Jamaica, an uncommon request for additional hurricane help.
We have a lot of money in hand, and it's not going quick enough, and we have to get rid of it by October this year. If there are any persons that you know that they're in need of stuff, repairs to their homes, or even schools that they need fixes to the school that is going to be less than $1 million, you need to speak to us and speak to us quickly so that we can really try to help to address it.
Most schools don't have any standby generator in terms of ensuring that even when we don't have power from JPS, we'll be able to power the Starlink system. And therefore, I encourage you to also consider.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.